I work in the Morven, North Carolina community, and the families there are really connected. The faith-based partners, as well as the other community partners, such as Hala, who was also a part of the clinic that we were doing for the COVID vaccinations. And so the Second Harvest Food Bank is one of our partners, and they would send us school mobile pantries. And so the families would get together, they would carpool, vanpool, however they could to get there to get free groceries and other things that were needed, particularly one time after a hurricane. And so anytime something happens and there's resources there, the churches help us get the information out, as well as the school doing calls. But the families know how to get together in their communities to come for resources. So they did the same day. We had the COVID clinic. They carpooled, they vanpooled, they helped each other get there. They made decisions together and held each other's hands while going through it. And so the community is very tight-knit, and it was a great place to have the clinic because it is in our county, it is one of the places that is most deserted and doesn't have a lot of resources there and not a lot of access to the things that you have in the normal towns and cities. And so it helped them to be able to get there. I was able to also take trainings, being a faith community health promoter and being a part of the faith community health ministry in Anson County. And so I took trainings where I was able to listen to physicians and other people who are well versed in COVID and all the trends, and learn about what should happen, what shouldn't happen, all the nuts and bolts and the science of it. So I was able to help answer some questions. So when we had a community event, I was asked to be a part of the promotion and sit on a team to help lead it. And they actually held it at my school that I work at, and it actually fell on a work day. And so some of our staff volunteered to help it out. Some of those who had not been vaccinated yet got vaccinated. It was open to everyone in the school district. The hospital staff came. They also were volunteers there. It was just like a well-oiled machine. So some of the staff were hesitant and had questions, and so I just started saying, what questions do you have, and answering the questions. And all of the ones who wanted to but were hesitant because they had questions did go, and I held a few hands and they got their vaccinations. And so it was great to see so many people come, because it was 200 people, including the staff, that came that day to get the vaccination. And then they came a month later to get the second one at the same school, and it went well as well. So some of them are giving out gift cards, or they're combining the clinics with other events where they're giving away food or other resources that will draw the community there. So those are some of the things that are going on right now. The health department is always available to give those boosters, and the local pharmacies are as well to give COVID shots, period.